Have you ever wanted to enhance your QTableView by adding some interactive widgets? It can be a game changer for user experience. If that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to inject widgets between QHeaderView and QTableView. I totally get it. Trying to make your application more user-friendly by adding filtering options directly in the header can be tricky. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when customizing their interfaces. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I display widgets between the QHeaderView and the QTableView? They want to create a more intuitive way for users to filter columns. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to achieve this. So what's the challenge here? The QHeaderView and QTableView are designed to work together, but injecting custom widgets requires a bit of finesse. We'll break down the steps to make this happen seamlessly. And stick around. I have a special tip at the end that will make your widget integration even smoother. To inject widgets between the QHeaderView and QTableView, the user should start by creating a custom widget that will hold the filtering inputs. This widget will be placed above the QTableView. Next, the user needs to set up the layout. They should use a vertical layout to stack the custom widget above the QTableView. This can be done by creating a QV box layout. After setting up the layout, the user should connect the filtering inputs in the custom widget to the QTableView. This allows the user to filter the displayed data based on their input. Finally, the user can test the implementation. They should run the application and check if the filtering works as expected, ensuring that the widgets are displayed correctly between the QHeaderView and QTableView. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, and now we can customize our interfaces like never before. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves creating a custom header class called FilterHeader. This class allows you to inject widgets like QLineEdit and QComboBox between the QHeaderView and QTableView. The user has modified the original code to include a combo box in the fourth column. The FilterHeader class manages the positioning and resizing of these widgets, ensuring they align correctly with the table columns. The user also connects a signal to handle filter activation when the user interacts with the widgets. Here's that special tip I promised. Consider using signals and slots to connect your widgets to the QTableView. This will make your filtering options dynamic and responsive. And there you have it. You can now inject widgets between QHeaderView and QTableView, enhancing your application's usability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.